Hello, welcome to English Made Simple. Listen and practice these easy dialogues and improve your spoken English. Good morning, how are you doing?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
I am also fine. You are looking happy today.
Yeah, today is my birthday.
That's great. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much. You have made my day.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old today.
You are younger than me. I am 25 years old.
You are so old.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why do you like this color?
Because it is the color of sky.
That's a nice logic.
Tell me about your favorite color.
My favorite color is green.
Why green is your favorite color?
Because I like the green trees and plants everywhere.
Yes, the green color is very soothing.
What is the color of your eyes?
The color of my eyes is gray.
What does your father do?
He is a web designer.
What is the color of your father's car?
The color of his car is blue.
Do you have your own house?
No, I pay rent for the apartment.
This is very difficult for you.
Yes, it is very difficult.
Do you usually go for shopping?
Yes, I usually go for shopping.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once in a month.
What do you like to buy most?
I like to buy clothes and shoes.
How many pairs of shoes do you have?
I have 26 pair of shoes.
Very nice. Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you, same here.
Thanks for watching.